results in matter of years, then you should grow flowers or nurture flowers. But if you want your results and your fruits in 5 to 10 years, you should nurture trees that bear fruits. But if your vision is for eternity, then nurture people. Grow people. Because once you grow people, then you get the returns forever. And hence, investment in human capital is one of the most important investments any government can make. A lot of tough decisions needed to be made. Being a sector which was, I don't want to say it in a very negative way, but it was really not doing as good as maybe what we would want it to do. And hence, tough decisions were required to make real changes in a short period of time. And Malakman Rimbui was one of those leaders who had it in him to take the tough calls and call spade a spade. I don't have to say too much. You must have heard his speech just now. And he's very clear. He doesn't mix his words. And that's how decisive he was, which really helped us to ensure that we moved forward. And hence, the reformation process, though education was a very difficult area for us to change, the process started, as soon as we took over in 2018. So money was collected in the name of cess for education, but it just went into the treasury and just went into the, in our accounts, and it was used for maybe salaries or road or whatever other construction. And hence, when we sat down with finance and with others, we decided that every single rupee that is collected for the purpose of education through this cess will be used for education purpose only. And that's when we started this construction process, and I said that, well, we will give additional funds. And hence started this whole process of going for the colleges. Then we went into the higher secondary schools. You'll be happy to know that every single higher secondary school in the state today, new buildings have been sanctioned, whether it's in Nongstoin, whether it's in Tura, whether it's in William Nagar, whether it's in different parts of the state, wherever these higher secondary, government higher secondary schools have been there, new school buildings have been sanctioned. 2,000 plus, close to 2,500 government LP schools, close to 500 crores was spent in the last 5 years to renovate